What's the meaning of crazy? Crazy. Crazy.
Crazy. Crazy. Crazy can be used to describe something that is completely out of the ordinary, unexpected, or unbelievable. It may also refer to someone who behaves in an unusual or unpredictable way. This word can be used in a negative context to suggest that something or someone is deranged or mentally unstable. Alternatively, it can be used in a positive context to describe something or someone as being exciting or innovative. Overall, crazy is a versatile and often subjective term that can be applied to a variety of situations and individuals.